Hello everyone, welcome to Indian Money's YouTube channel. I'm Natalia. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know about Cred. So Cred is a free credit card bill repayment application that you can download from the Google Play Store or the App Store. And whenever you make a bill repayment on the application, it will reward you with coins which you can redeem as vouchers. Cred also accepts MasterCard, Visa, RuPay and American Express and a lot of other credit cards which are available in the market. And to use this Cred service, you need to have a credit score above 750. And only then you will be able to use this Cred services. Now, let me tell you how to download this application and get started. So first you have to install this application on your phone and then register with your mobile number. And then it will check with SEBI to see if your score is above 750 and only then you will be eligible for the services. And after you're eligible, you can add up to 10 credit cards on your account. Then they will deposit ₹1 into your account using IMPS or UPI, and then you are eligible to make payments and earn rewards. Now, let's talk about the rewards that you can earn. Number one is earn cashback with the hashtag #KillTheBill. Now, with every credit card payment that you make, you will be eligible to participate in a lucky draw and win points or vouchers. So for example, if you're making a payment of ₹10,000, then you will be eligible to earn a cashback of up to 24 rupees. Now yes, that might seem a little bit low, but anyways, you're going to be making this bill repayment and it's always free money, and who says no to free money? Number two, redeem exciting offers. This application also allows you to redeem a lot of vouchers from a lot of brands. So for example, you can win vouchers from Uber Eats or Zomato or Flipkart or Amazon that you can use and shop as well. Number three, earn with referrals. So when anyone uses your referral code and joins the Cred app, you will be earning 10 points. That is 10 Cred points. And with 10 Cred coins, you will be able to redeem vouchers. So for example, 10 Cred coins is equal to 150 rupees of Uber or an Amazon gift voucher. And 30 Cred coins is equal to ₹750 of Amazon coins. So these are the rewards or the offers available to you if you are a Cred application user. And anyways, you're going to be paying your credit card bill. So why not earn rewards and cashbacks while you pay your credit card bill? So go ahead and download the Cred app right now. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video and if you want to learn more about how to start a business or how to get into investing or how to get into stock markets, then click the link in the description box below and download the Financial Freedom app and start your journey towards becoming rich. And if you like this video, then hit the like button. And if you're new to the channel, then hit the subscribe button. And do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you will be notified when we post a new video. I'm Natalia and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching IndianMoney.com.